How to change Android wallpaper. This tutorial shows you how to customize your home screen and lock screen with the new wallpaper. First, press and hold on an empty space on your home screen. Next, a menu will appear with different customization options for your device. Following that, tap on Wallpapers or Wallpaper and Style from the options. Now, you'll be taken to the wallpaper selection screen. Moving forward, browse through the available wallpaper categories like My Photos or Gallery. Afterwards, tap on the wallpaper you want to set from the collection. In addition to that, you can also tap on My Photos to choose a picture from your gallery. Once you've selected your desired image, tap on it to preview how it will look. Subsequently, you can adjust the wallpaper by pinching or dragging to fit your screen. Moreover, tap on Set Wallpaper or Apply at the bottom of the screen. Afterwards, choose where you want to apply the wallpaper. Then select Home Screen, Lock Screen, or Home and Lock Screen from the options. Within this section, tap on your preferred option to apply the wallpaper. Alternatively, you can download wallpaper apps from the Play Store for more variety. Once you've set your wallpaper, press the Home button to see your new background. Then, your home screen or lock screen will now display your customized wallpaper. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change your Android wallpaper, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android customization tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.